Testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, is often marketed as a quick fix for low testosterone levels. But as with any magic pill, there's a catch. The therapy can lead to severe and sometimes irreversible side effects. It's a classic buyer beware scenario with hormones. Let's talk about the most common risk cardiovascular issues. Studies indicate that TRT may increase the risk of heart attacks and strokes. You might think you're improving one health aspect only to compromise another. Not a fair trade. Another major concern is the potential for blood clots. TRT can increase red blood cell counts, thickening your blood. It's like turning a syrup into molasses, raising your risk of deep vein thrombosis. Always a good idea to consult a specialist beforehand. Let's not forget about fertility. While boosting testosterone sounds great, TRT can severely lower sperm production. It's like planting a tree only to chop it down later. For many, this unintended consequence can be heartbreaking. Liver health is another issue. Though oral testosterone is less common, it can have toxic effects on the liver, causing inflammation or even liver damage. Imagine walking on a fine line with every pill. Better to be safe, right? And mood swings and emotional disturbances can also arise. Once euphoric, the next moment, you might feel down, and the hormonal roller coaster can severely impact relationships and mental health, which might not be what anyone signed up for. But acne and oily skin often appear as side effects, reminiscent of teenage years. For some, these skin issues are minor, but for others, they're more than just superficial concerns. You won't be wanting to face the world with a breakout. Prostate health isn't news, but TRT can accelerate prostate cancer growth. Think of it as adding fuel to a dormant fire. Routine screenings become imperative, adding more items to your health checklist, not exactly light lifting. Testosterone therapy can also lead to sleep apnea or worsen existing conditions. Imagine getting fit, but feeling exhausted. It's a paradox worth considering. If shutting your eyes is already somewhat elusive, TRT isn't necessarily the answer for those wanting to pack on muscle. Sure, it helps grow muscles, but also taxes the joints. You end up with bulky muscles screaming against fragile joints. Some things are simply not made to scale. The kicker is financial strain. TRT isn't a one-time treatment, but a lifelong commitment. And costs can surge to the tune of thousands annually, straining even the most flexible budgets. Not everyone has a Scrooge McDuck-like vault. Lastly, stopping TRT isn't uncomplicated. It can lead to withdrawal symptoms akin to a nosedive of energy, mood, and libido, a high-stakes gamble with uncertain returns, leaving some to wonder if it's worth it in the first place. For those considering TRT, here's a pro tip. Consult multiple experts and explore natural methods first. Balance is key. It's not just about adding testosterone, but understanding the full spectrum of health impacts this therapy entails.